Once upon a time, a hideous ogre and a delusional donkey embarked on a journey to the magical city of further away.
Oh my God, it's happening. It's really happening. Do you know what that means? I need a makeover. Get my arms yoked and my back jammed, my ass added. Maybe even tighten up my pedonta.
No, definitely not.
So what you're saying is a dragon junkie off on another. No, don't say it. Two all work friends.
That's not what this is.
On a whirlwind.
Okay.
Big city.
Oh, I'm caked up like a pretty bakery.
Wanna date a snowman?
You really can't help yourself, can you?
Hell to the no, I can't. Shrek and Hunky, two stalwart friends off on another whirlwind big city adventure. Oh, wanna date a snowman?
You really can't help yourself, can you?
Never, never make love to me again. Well, I'd find this as long as sharp as knife I could, and I'd stick it straight into my heart. Oh, Fred, how long does this have to go on, this punishment? Have I done my turn? Can't I apply for a pardon?
Maybe they finished school. It sounds like you need to run. There's still some of the houses on fire.
Is it any wonder? You know what I feel like? I feel all the time like a cat on a hot tin roof.
Jump off. Jump off. I can't jump off.